Here's how to tie a Yosemite Bowline knot. Start by creating a loop near the end of the rope. Then take the end and go through it from the back side, then around the standing end, and finally back through the loop. You've essentially now created a regular bowline knot. The Yosemite Finish just adds another step to it. So to create the Yosemite Finish, take the end of the rope and go outside of the loop, then around the right side of it, and finally back through, exiting right next to the standing end. And finally, tighten the knot. A regular bowline knot can untie under heavy loads if a stopper knot isn't used on the end. Adding the Yosemite Finish adds more reliability to the knot. You can use it in all kinds of situations, even when climbing to attach to anchor points or to your climbing harness. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.